How does a shareholders agreement address share transfers? In today's fast-paced business world, understanding how a shareholders agreement addresses share transfers is more important than ever. Just yesterday, discussions around corporate governance and ownership structures gained traction. Many business owners and investors are searching for clarity on this topic. Let's break down how these agreements work to manage share transfers effectively. A shareholders agreement typically includes specific provisions that regulate the transfer of shares among shareholders. These provisions are designed to control who can buy or sell shares, under what conditions, and how shares can be transferred to protect the company and existing shareholders. One key aspect is restrictions on transfer. The agreement often sets limits on transferring shares to third parties without prior approval from other shareholders or the company. This prevents unwanted parties from becoming shareholders and helps maintain the existing ownership structure. Another important feature is the right of first refusal. Before a shareholder can sell shares to an outside party, they must first offer them to existing shareholders or the company on the same terms. This allows current owners to maintain control and ownership proportions. Additionally, tag-along and drag-along rights play a significant role. Tag-along rights protect minority shareholders by allowing them to join in a sale if majority shareholders sell their shares. Conversely, drag-along rights enable majority shareholders to compel minority shareholders to sell their shares if a buyer is found, facilitating smoother exits. Approval processes are also commonly included in these agreements. The agreement may requiring that any share transfer be approved by the board or a certain percentage of shareholders. This ensures that transfers align with company interests and maintain stability. Valuation and pricing mechanisms are crucial as well. Procedures for determining the price of shares during a transfer are often included to avoid disputes. Clear guidelines help ensure fairness in transactions. Lastly, conditions triggering transfer restrictions are vital. Certain events, like death, bankruptcy, or retirement of a shareholder, may trigger specific buyback or transfer provisions to manage ownership changes effectively. By including these elements, a shareholders agreement provides a clear framework for share transfers. This helps maintain stability in ownership and governance while balancing the rights of shareholders to exit or transfer their interests. Understanding these provisions can significantly impact how businesses operate and grow in a competitive environment.